Did you know that incorporating natural ingredients like lemons, ginger, and Himalayan salt into your diet could potentially improve your overall health and well-being? We're about to dive into a fantastic recipe that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also works wonders to cleanse your colon and detox your liver. Could this revitalizing drink be the missing element in your daily routine for achieving better digestive health and detoxification? Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets behind this powerful concoction. Let's get started. Let's begin by talking about why it's essential to keep your colon and liver healthy. Your colon is responsible for eliminating waste and toxins from your body, while your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying and metabolizing nutrients. Over time, these vital organs can accumulate toxins, which can lead to various health issues. This is where our natural cleansing recipe comes in handy. So, what do we need for this amazing recipe? The three main ingredients are lemons, ginger, and Himalayan salt. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps support your liver's detoxification processes. They also have natural cleansing properties. Ginger contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in your colon and liver. It also aids digestion. Himalayan salt is rich in minerals and can help balance electrolytes and improve digestion. It's a healthier alternative to regular table salt. Now let's put these ingredients to good use. Here's how to make the cleanse. 1. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass. 2. Grate or thinly slice a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to the glass. 3. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt. Remember, a little goes a long way. 4. Fill the glass with warm water and stir everything together until the salt dissolves. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful colon and liver cleanse that's easy to make at home. To get the best results, it's recommended to have this cleansing drink in the morning on an empty stomach. You can repeat this daily or a few times a week, depending on your preference. The benefits of this cleansing drink are numerous. It can help with digestion, boost your immune system, and improve your overall well-being. Plus, it tastes great and is an excellent alternative to sugary drinks. However, I must emphasize that this recipe isn't a miracle solution for serious health problems. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. We hope you enjoyed this simple recipe for a lemon, ginger, and Himalayan salt cleanse. Remember to incorporate it into a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle for the best results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave any questions or comments below. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.